Ever wondered how to beat the bloat naturally? Today, the spotlight shines on nature's pharmacy, herbs. We're going to discover how peppermint, ginger, fennel, and chamomile can help soothe your digestive system and keep bloating at bay. Starting off, we have the soothing superstar, peppermint. More than just a breath freshener, peppermint relaxes the muscles of your gastrointestinal system, allowing trapped gas to pass and reducing bloating. Enjoying it as a tea, adding it to salads, or incorporating it into desserts gives a delightful minty twist to your meals. Next, meet ginger, nature's digestive aid. With its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to relax the intestines, ginger reduces bloating and promotes smooth digestion. Drinking ginger tea, adding fresh ginger to meals, or chewing a small piece of ginger after meals can be effective ways to keep bloating at bay. Third on our list is the gentle reliever, fennel. With its mild licorice-like flavor, fennel acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids and reduce water retention. Fennel tea is a great choice, and adding fennel seeds to your cooking can add an extra touch of flavor. Lastly, we have chamomile, the calming companion. Known for its calming effects, chamomile is also effective in soothing the stomach. It relaxes the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and bloating. A warm cup of chamomile tea in the evening can be a delightful way to unwind and aid digestion. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine is both simple and delightful. You can enjoy them individually as teas or combine them for a flavorful blend. Experiment with different combinations to discover what suits your taste buds best. Remember, a happy tummy leads to a happy you. In conclusion, peppermint, ginger, fennel, and chamomile are some of the best herbs for beating the bloat and promoting a healthy, happy digestive system. Share this video with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on natural wellness. Wishing everyone a bloat-free, joyful journey ahead. Until next time, take care and stay bloating-free.